If you're operating a business globally, managing cross-border payments can feel like a maze. Hidden fees, slow transfers, and clunky platforms are the standard. Maybe you've heard of Airwallex, perhaps you're even considering their service. But the first question everyone asks is, what kind of card are they offering? The short answer is, Airwallex offers a suite of cards, primarily focusing on multi-currency corporate cards and virtual cards. They are not a standard consumer debit or credit card. They are designed for businesses, from startups to large enterprises, focused on expense management and global payments. Think of them as a dynamic tool built for the modern, borderless business. The core of their offering is the Airwallex Borderless Card. This is a Visa card that acts as a digital extension of your multi-currency business accounts. Instead of being locked into one currency, it allows you to spend in multiple currencies globally, drawing directly from your Airwallex wallet at interbank exchange rates, often saving significant foreign transaction fees. Now, let's break down the types. They offer both physical and, more importantly, virtual cards. The virtual card is where Airwallex truly shines. Businesses can instantly generate unlimited virtual cards, which are perfect for online spending, separating expenses, or setting up dedicated cards for SaaS subscriptions like Google Ads or Salesforce. This is key for control and security. If one card is compromised, you can instantly terminate it without affecting your main accounts. The physical card is your standard, tangible card used for in-person expenses, travel, and ATM withdrawals. It's crucial to understand the mechanism. These are generally prepaid corporate debit cards, not traditional credit cards. You fund your Airwallex account, and the cards spend against that balance. This gives the finance team tight control over spending, as you can set limits per card or per user instantly. The card type itself is Visa, ensuring global acceptance. So, when you ask what type of card is Airwallex, remember this: it's a multi-currency, virtual-first, Visa corporate card designed to eliminate foreign exchange headaches and streamline global business spending. In summary, it's a business tool for global spending. Not for your groceries, but for your company's SaaS subscriptions, international travel, and ad spend. If your business is ready to ditch high FX fees and gain real-time control over international expenses, the Airwallex Borderless Card System is precisely the type of card solution you need to be exploring. Like and subscribe for more deep dives into business finance technology.